In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly shop on Shopee using your Tng Ewallet. We'll go through a simple process that will make your online shopping experience smooth and secure. Let's dive right in. First, let's open up your favorite browser and navigate over to Shopee. Once you're there, you'll find yourself greeted by their vibrant homepage, bustling with deals and promotions that seem to call your name. It's an online marketplace that never sleeps, offering a wide range of products from countless categories that are sure to pique your interest. Now, this is where the fun begins. Start by browsing through the diverse selections they offer. You can search for specific items using the search bar or simply explore different categories if you're in the mood to discover something new. Once you've spotted a product that catches your eye, perhaps a nifty gadget or a stylish piece of clothing, go ahead and click on it to learn more. Here you can delve into the product details, check out customer reviews, and compare prices. After you've decided on a product that you wish to purchase, it's time to add it to your cart and proceed to the checkout page. Here on the checkout page, you'll find a variety of options to complete your purchase. But for the purpose of this guide, we're going to focus on using the Tng Ewallet to pay. Among the different payment methods available, select Pay with New Card. This option allows you to input your e-wallet details directly. For those unfamiliar, Tng Ewallet is an electronic wallet that lets you safely store cash digitally and make payments with ease. It's becoming increasingly popular due to its convenience and the fact that it often comes with promotions that can help save money when shopping online. You'll need to enter your Tng Ewallet information here. Be sure to double-check your details to avoid any hiccups during payment. It's important to ensure that your e-wallet is sufficiently funded to cover the cost of your purchase to avoid any inconvenience. Once everything is in order, complete your purchase by following the on-screen prompts. Shopee will process your transaction, and if everything was entered correctly, you should receive a confirmation of your purchase. Remember, this process is designed to be secure, but it's always wise to safeguard your account information and ensure your devices are protected against any cybersecurity risks. And just like that, bringing us to the end of our guide today, you've successfully learned how to navigate Shopee and make purchases using Tng Ewallet, expanding your online shopping repertoire in a safe and efficient manner. Thank you for joining me today, and happy shopping.